Hi! We're about to start a quiz on slang and idioms. Let's see how many points you can score in 20 questions. Ready? Sit tight and listen carefully. Question 1. Exactly! The answer is C. A leopard can't change its spots means a person can't change their inherent nature. Question 2. Easy! The answer is A. In the bag means guaranteed success. Question 3. Yes, the answer is C. Kick the bucket means to die. Question 4. Brilliant. The answer is B. Every dog has its day means everyone gets their chance to succeed eventually. Question 5. Easy. The answer is A. Rock the boat means disrupt the status quo. Question 6. Bravo! The answer is D. You can't have your cake and eat it too means you can't enjoy two desirable but mutually exclusive options. Question 7. Amazing! The answer is B. Run out of steam means lose energy or momentum. Question 8. Bingo! The answer is D. Take a back seat means let someone else take a more prominent role. Question 9. Great! The answer is B. Sit on the fence means remain neutral or undecided. Question 10. Bravo! The answer is A. On the same page means in agreement. Question 11. Exactly. The answer is C. Light at the end of the tunnel means a sign of improvement or hope in a difficult situation. Question 12. Great! The answer is D. Feather in your cap means an achievement to be proud of. Question 13. Bravo! The answer is A. Devil is in the details means small things can cause major problems. Question 14. Brilliant. The answer is B. Burning the candle at both ends means overwork. Question 15. Yes, the answer is B. Behind the curve means doing something later than most others. Question 16. Exactly. The answer is C. Apple of one's eye means a person who is cherished or loved. Question 17. Easy. The answer is A. By the book means follow the rules strictly. Question 18. Bravo! The answer is D. Cry over spilt milk means complain about something past. Question 19. Amazing! The answer is B. Fish out of water means someone uncomfortable in an unfamiliar situation. Question 20. Bravo! The answer is A. Have bigger fish to fry means have more important things to do. Which level are you at? No worries, this is just practice. You can always revisit my videos to learn more slang and idioms. Check the links in the description. Keep learning and see you next time.